Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. Alright, if it's your first time here on my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? I'm back, guys. I want to talk to you today about an education platform, and I want to show you 3 new done-for-you lead magnets that has just been added to the platform. Now, these lead magnets is what you can give away to people when they join your team, or just to some colleagues that you may know that's struggling with their home-based business. They can't seem to get leads. They can't seem to get people to take a look at what they have to offer. So this particular platform, okay, is going to coach you. It's going to train you on how to market any business online. Whatever it is, doesn't matter what it is. If you have a business that you're struggling with and you can't seem to figure out how to actually promote it, this is the platform you need to plug into. Now, so what we're going to do is go over, and I'm going to show you the 3 new lead magnets. All right, check this out. Okay, so it is My Lead System Pro. Love this platform. I love it, love it, love it. I'm always learning something new, and it's helping me attract people to me to find out what I have to offer and what my business opportunities are. Trust me when I tell you this works, okay? So, My Lead System Pro. So let's go in here. I'm going to show you they've added, and you're going to see I'm checking my notes to make sure I stay on point, okay, with my agenda. So let's go check it out right here. New generation generic lead gen campaigns. Okay, so I'm going to click it. Okay, these are generic lead campaigns, guys. These are done for you, ready to go to work for you to build your business. Whatever your business is, these magnets can help you, okay? You can use these right now to give a ton of value to people, okay? So, let me show you what they are. Now, with these magnets, they help you promote you and your business opportunity. This is an easy way to just give away training. It's going to allow you to generate leads, number 1, because in order for them to get the training, they have to put in their correct information. So you're building your list, okay, and then you're also promoting your primary business at the same time. Check this out. This is pure genius, the way they have this set up. Let me show you, okay. These were just added, so as you can see, I have some impressions already. The one I like the most is posting for profits. So let me just show you what that looks like. They even have let me show you this, hang on. Okay, they even give you ad copy, guys. See right here, swipe copy. Is this awesome? Okay, because most of the time most people don't know what to put on their posts, right? Or an email. If you want to compose an email, you don't know what to say. Guess what? It comes with ad copy. Email number 1, email number 2, email number 3. Okay? Just copy and paste it. Okay? Copy and paste it. Just plug your username on the end of that and post it. And a lot of times I'll use these also as a text message, okay? You can use a one-liner if you just want to do that. But the point of the matter is they give you the copy on what to say. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like. So I'm going to go here, and they've already plugged in your link. It's tied to you. It's already linked to you. So if we go here, let's see what the capture page looks like. Okay, here's the page. Now check this out. Let me move this up. Hang on a second. Let's see. Hang on. Okay. as you can see right here, it has my name already up here. So it's branding me. The company did this. I didn't do this. This is a done for you funnel. Has my name here. So when I share this link with someone, they already know it's me. Okay. And guess what? It's free. Who's going to pass up free training? No brainer. Okay. Now, and it says right here, take the challenge. Let's say they click here. Guess what? They've got to enter their information to get the free training. So right there, you just gain your lead. This is how you're going to generate leads. Now, let's check it out. Let's see what they see after this. Let me show you this real quick. Here's everything you get with this, guys. A lot of information. So you can give this away for free, but it's going to brand you. I'm going to show you how. Hang on a second. Okay, so then we go there, and it shows you right here what they're going to see. Check this out. Still me up here, right? Now here's the training that they're going to get. They're going to press play. Okay. But guess what? Boom. Has my information right here. Contact me about me. You see that? So it's branding me. And then guess what? They click here. They say, well, what opportunity? Here's my opportunity. You can put whatever you want. Plug this into your profile. And they click my opportunity. Voila. Okay, I come up right here. I link this in, and this is the Postcard program. Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Post. And as you can see, you can focus here. It doesn't take you to YouTube, doesn't take you to any of that. You know, a lot of times when you see systems, they allow you to plug in like a YouTube or Vimeo. You're locked in. You can lock your video in, and it stays in one frame. This is all in MLSP. Okay, you see how I have that locked in? Awesome. So not only am I giving free training away, I'm promoting my primary business at the same time. Genius. Okay, with giving away something for free. Okay, so there's 3 of those. Let's take a look at the other one. Okay, here's another one. Okay, let's take a look here. Okay, again, it's branding you. And this one is another training, and it's free. Simple list leverage, another free one. And it brands you. They take the challenge. Again, they're capturing the information. So you got a capture page, giving away free training. And let's take a look at the sales page. Okay. Get a different training here, but it's still branding me at the same time. And then if they click opportunity, boom, takes them to my opportunity. So a genius way to promote giving away free training and your primary business at the same time. Okay. So 3 new done for you lead magnets. All right. Now let me go on to the next thing I want to show you. You've got to plug into this. Okay. Okay. Let's go over to this leaderboard real quick. Okay. MLSP. Still showing up right here in the 90-day lead deal. Okay. Not bad. Okay. So let's go take a look. And I'm right here. 7-day increase. I'm number 8 in the last 7 days. Boom. Okay. So it's working for me. I'm giving away these lead magnets. Okay. So let me show you something else. It's going to keep me on point. All right. Let me look at my agenda. All right. This is another thing I like to hone in on, guys. This is the only system I've ever seen, okay, that will allow total strangers, people that haven't paid for the membership for My Lead System Pro, to come in on their live coaching and answer any questions you may have about your opportunity. These guys will allow you to jump in on their live chat and present to them your funnel or your business sales page and ask them for their feedback, and they'll give it to you free. Okay, so this is definitely something you want to plug into. Okay, and then you're going to be able to share it with your team. They give live training. We have training 5 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. They also have, what I love is new member orientation, a live new member orientation. How many programs have you joined? Okay, and have you ever seen a member of the company hold your hand and walk you through your whole back office? Of course, you have your sponsor, but I'm talking about live on a call. I mean, on a webinar where you can just chime in and say, hey, I'm in my back office. They're looking in the back office at the same time. You're looking and be able to answer your questions live. Okay, they have this every Monday. Okay, so you don't have to worry about trying to train people or any of that. They have people in place to do this for you. New member orientation every Monday. Okay, all right, so those are just some things I just wanted to point out. That's another reason why you want to get in this program, this platform, because it trains you. Train. You've got to have training, period. Okay, if you want to succeed online, you've got to have training. You can buy all the programs in the world you want to, but if you do not know how to promote it, it's not going to work. That's where MLSP comes into place. Okay, now I want to show you something I've done since I've been a part of the program. MLSP is not only a platform, they have a capture page system. They call it the funnelizer, and I've created a few of those. Let me just show you what I've done. Check this out. Let's go under funnelizer. Right here. Check it out. Show you what I've created. So you can do capture pages and all that, guys. Let me show you. Check this out. I'm gonna actually what I'm gonna do is just pull it up. Hang on a second. Let's just pull it up. Hang on. Here's a page I created in MLSP, in the funnelizer. Check this out. That's me. Free video shows you how I make thousands using this proven system. Now let me show you where this goes. Just gonna show you real quick. I'm in the back of the funnelizer right here. It asks you, where do you want this to be directed? When people opt in, where do you want them to go? So you just plug in your URL right here, guys. It's very simple. Trust me. They have a training step by step. It's so simple. It's unbelievable. So when they opt in, boom, they go right here. Okay.
Hey guys, it's Pandora.
You see that? And there's no YouTube, there's no Vimeo, any of that. People can just focus directly on me and what I'm speaking of. Okay? So they watch that, and guess what else? I plugged in, they have the buttons back there. All you have to do is you just plug in the links where you want people to go. So when they opt in, they see me here. I'm talking about the Postcard program, and I've plugged all this in. It's very simple. Everything is already in there. All you need to do is edit it to fit what you're promoting. So I have a button here. It says click here for the postcard. Boom. Takes them to the cash cow with my information on it. And then right here I plugged in. I'm always going to plug in the training. Right on the same page I have a little link that says training how to market on social media. Right? Move this over. Okay, move this over here. So when they click this link, boom, takes them back to MLSP, and we talk about the training. Okay, so I plug them here. They get this information, and this keeps them focused. Okay, they're not distracted with other YouTube videos or other Vimeo videos. Keep them in place. Okay. Okay, so those are just some of the highlights I wanted you to see, that this actually is the best thing that you can get in. If you have a business, you need to plug into training. Okay, so I'm going to put the link below. Go ahead and get this. I'm going to put the link below so you can get the free training. You're not going to have to spend a dime. Go check this training out. And let me know if you have any questions. Jump on our Wednesday free training as well, and you will see the benefit of being able to get plugged into this type of system. All right, guys. Thank you for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Look forward to seeing you on the inside of My Lead System Pro. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.